Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss out on our tech tips and tutorials. Today, we've got something special for you. Ever wondered how to enable desktop icons on Windows 11? Well, you're in the right place. Let's dive into it. First things first, make sure you're on your desktop screen. Now, right-click on any empty space on your desktop. Next, we're going to personalize our desktop. Select Personalize from the context menu. This will take you to the personalization settings. Once you're in the personalization settings, look for the Themes option on the left sidebar. Click on Themes and now, we're going to scroll down to find the desktop icon settings. Keep scrolling until you find desktop icon settings. And here it is. Under desktop icons you can choose the icons you want to display on your desktop. Whether it's computer, network, or users files, pick what suits your preference. Customize it to your liking. Once you're happy with your choices, click Apply and then OK. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled desktop icons on Windows 11 or Windows 10. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. If you have any questions or want to see more tutorials, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.